Asking open-ended questions. Conversational starters. Hey there, English learners. Welcome to our channel dedicated to learning English. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of conversation starters by focusing on asking open-ended questions. By the end of this video, you'll have a variety of engaging questions to kickstart conversations and keep them flowing smoothly. So, let's get started. To begin, let's clarify what open-ended questions are. Open-ended questions are inquiries that cannot be answered with a simple yes or no. They require more detailed responses, allowing the conversation to develop and encourage the other person to share their thoughts and feelings. Here are a few examples of open-ended questions. What are your thoughts on? How do you feel about? Tell me more about? What's your perspective on? Using open-ended questions creates an opportunity for a deeper and more meaningful conversation. Now that we know what open-ended questions are, let's explore the benefits they offer in conversation. 1. Encouraging engagement. Open-ended questions invite the other person to participate actively in the conversation. They foster dialogue and create a comfortable environment for sharing ideas and opinions. 2. Building rapport. By asking open-ended questions, you show genuine interest in the other person. This helps to establish a connection, develop rapport, and strengthen relationships. 3. Gathering information. Open-ended questions are excellent tools for gathering information. They allow you to learn more about the other person's experiences, interests, and perspectives, leading to a better understanding of their world. 4. Stimulating critical thinking. Open-ended questions require thoughtful responses, stimulating critical thinking. They encourage individuals to reflect on their experiences and express their ideas more fully. Now that we understand the importance of open-ended questions, let's explore some examples you can use in various situations. Example 1. Hobbies and interests. What are some activities you enjoy doing in your free time? How did you get interested in specific hobby? Can you tell me about the last book you read that really captivated you? Example 2. Travel and experiences. What's the most memorable trip you've ever taken? Why? If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go and why? Tell me about a cultural tradition you find fascinating. Example 3. Personal growth and future goals. What's something you've always wanted to learn but haven't had the chance yet? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? What steps are you taking to achieve those goals? How do you like to challenge yourself and grow as an individual? Remember, these are just a few examples to get you started. Feel free to adapt and modify them based on the conversation and the person you're speaking with. Congratulations! You've made it through our video on asking open-ended questions as conversation starters. By incorporating these types of questions into your discussions, you'll unlock the potential for more engaging and meaningful conversations. Remember to listen actively to the responses and show genuine interest in the other person's thoughts. This will help you build strong connections and create lasting friendships. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to experiment with different open-ended questions. The more you practice, the more natural and confident you'll become in starting conversations and fostering meaningful connections. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!